Hi everyone! Meet the $20 stitching pony and $260 stitching pony. I bought the stitching pony about 12 years ago. It even came with this clamp, which I never used. Because this stitching pony behaved like this, I clamped it to the table or to a chair, or even used it like this. It even can tilt. Just not today. It's getting old. This is the simplest, cheapest pony, and it'll keep doing its job for another 12 years. But it isn't comfortable. Goodbye, old friend. It's time for you to retire. I started looking for a replacement with a better adjustability. As you can see, there are plenty of good options. I've been upgrading my tools since the beginning of the year, and I've already spent more than I planned. And this is just a part of it. So I was looking for a pony under $100. But when I saw the Maxita stitching pony, my financial common sense left the building. And now I am unboxing it! I should mention that $260 price includes shipping and import duties. You can adjust it any way you like. But that's not even the part that made me say wow. For once, I am not adjusting myself to the stitching pony, it adjusts to me. You can attach almost anything to a proper workbench, but not always to this table cobbled together from leftover boards. And no problem at all. I can sit comfortably in an armchair on the patio. I can sit on the floor. I can even stitch in a hammock. I'm comfortable even though I'm watching where the needle goes through the camera screen. But there is a hidden danger here. I was testing this stitching pony after unboxing it. I get comfy in hammock, started stitching, and then my dog woke me up. Don't fall asleep while working, you won't get any stitching done. I love it. The makers really put themselves in a leather worker's shoes and understood the pain of stitching for hours. They created a tool that makes stitching an absolute pleasure. I stitched almost all day to test it properly, and for the first time my back didn't hurt. I love it, but I have to tell you about one downside. When I started filming, I noticed the paint on this part was starting to rub off. Well, that's physics. Metal rubbing against metal. And it doesn't affect how the pony works. But over time, this beautiful matte finish could get damaged on the outside too. Of course I was disappointed. I'd like this $260 beauty to stay looking good for longer. I have a lamp with a similar type of mount. A small plastic sleeve keeps the paint from getting damaged. So I contacted Maxita. They acknowledged the issue and said they'd work on fixing it soon. I really appreciate a company that listens to its customers. It shows that they care about their product and stand behind it. They also saw my videos and offered a discount for my subscribers. I paid full price for this stitching pony with no discount. If you'd like to make your work more comfortable and buy this stitching pony through my link, you'll get a discount and I'll earn a small affiliate commission. You could call it my discount, just a little late. You'll find the link in the video description. The big question is Maxita Pony really worth the money? Considering I've told you about more than just how cool and ergonomic it is. The ceiling is probably the only place I haven't stitched with it yet. Although I think that settles it. It's worth every penny. And when or if the company makes those improvements, it won't have any competitors in this price range. In the next video, I'll show you a few tricks that will definitely make stitching easier. Subscribe, leave a reaction, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching! See you next time!